In this video I'm gonna show you skin retouching in simple step. I took this photo for the skin retouching. You can follow editing steps on the video. I'm gonna tap pencil symbol. Then choose the portrait tool for skin retouching. Here you can check the presets for skin. Next, moving on to the tool setting, here you can adjust the skin using this tool and eye clarity. Then moving on to the skin color, you can choose the skin color for the face. If you are confused with these tools, then I'm gonna show you in simple step. Here select one by one preset for your skin and check the photo after applying preset, but I'm gonna select combo 3. For this photo, combo 3 is best preset. For smooth skin you can choose smooth 1 and 2 preset. Here you can check the before and after photo. After selecting preset for your skin you can adjust face spotlight, skin smoothing and eye clarity. I'm gonna adjust this face using these 3 options. Increasing little bit face spotlight. Next I'm gonna keep 100% skin smoothing. You can adjust the skin using skin smoothing. Next, moving on to the eye clarity. I'm gonna increase towards right side. Here you can check the eye becoming very clarity. Combo 3 preset, selecting medium skin color. You can also change skin color for the face. I'm gonna tap tick mark to save this setting. You can check the before and after skin. I'm gonna repeat one more time this process. If you want more smooth skin, then do it one more time. Sometime this will show you no faces could be found in this photo. Then you have to tap on the try harder. It will take time to recognize your face. Now, I'm gonna increase only skin smoothing, then tap tick mark to save it. This is the result. You can check the face before and after. Thanks for watching.